Hey, it's Michael again, and if you see water spots like this, don't guess as to whether or not they're wet. Take a look. Alright, looks pretty gnarly, right? Water damage. Well, you don't really know that it's still a problem or not, because the roof may have been fixed recently. But if you get out your meter, your moisture meter, it'll tell you whether or not it's wet. That way you don't have to guess whether or not there's still a leak there. So this one here is about 12% moisture. There's still a leak probably here. So you'd want to call out, hey, I need this roof fixed, so that the leak doesn't continue. Just to find out, I crawled this whole attic and I saw quite a few spots. So that tells me that there's some damage here, and it needs to be the roofing needs to be replaced. But if you don't have a meter, you have to guess, and that's why we just use this little guy, stick it up in there. They're about $35 online. You can get them from Home Depot. They're a little more expensive, maybe $59 or something like that. But use a moisture meter to determine whether or not the wet spots in your roof decking are really a problem or not. If it's low, say 5-6%, typically that's where, on a big spot, that's where the roofing has been replaced and it's starting to dry out. So you can this really help you tell if your investment is a good one or not, or if some shingles are going to need to be replaced and even some decking. All right, Fidelity Home Inspection, going places that no one else goes to save you money. Thanks a lot.